everyone. I hope you're all doing well today. We are on day 2 of our 10-day DIY challenge. Now, in case you've not checked day 1, you can use the hashtag day1 and 10-day DIY challenge on our group to check it out. So today's video on day 2 is about using soap nets for laundry. So soap nets are nothing but these nuts. I can show you how they look. So these kind of nuts that you get from the soap nut tree. Now this tree is native to India, and it is mostly, you can see this a lot in the Himalayan regions around Nepal, etc. So that is where you get your soap nuts from. Now this is, since it's derived from a tree, it is a natural resource. And soap nuts, actually the quality of soap nuts is that they contain something called saponins, which when come in contact with water actually help in producing lather. So that is the reason these are a great alternative for any kind of recipe which calls for anything that requires soap. So basically these are natural lathering agents. So that is the property that we are going to use for our laundry purpose. Now how are soap nets eco-friendly? First of all, using or doing this at home, we will be cutting down on buying. That is the first aspect. The second aspect is, I said these trees are native to India. So these are one such tree. These soap nuts are one such tree which grow very easily. So you don't need like the most fertile of soil. So you don't need like a lot of water, etc. So that way, they actually grow very well, they flourish very well. So, that is one very big advantage. So because of which they are actually even available at very low prices. So you can, get like a kilo of soap nuts for, very negligible price. So that is one more aspect about soap nuts. Now, secondly, so generally what happens is any kind of water that is, that comes out of your machine, it runs down your drain, and it actually, goes into your earth and goes into your groundwater system and pollutes the entire thing. So basically when you use any kind of chemicals like your laundry detergents, etc., it pollutes the entire system. But with soap nuts, you're completely ruling out that also. So this is how it actually acts like an eco-friendly wash. But other than that, it is good for you also, because soap nets is generally great for using in households that where kids are there, or where people with sensitive skin are there, or with people who have eczema, etc., can use soap nuts without any kind of fear or any kind of apprehension. So this is basically a little about soap nuts. Now the way to use soap nut is very, very simple, and I'm going to just quickly take you through it. So soap nut can be used in two ways. You can basically use it as a liquid, and you can also use it as is. Now this thing I'm telling you is for the laundry. So you can use it like a soap nut liquid, but the thing with liquid is that you have to first convert this into a liquid, which adds an extra overhead. And since laundry is something that we do on a regular basis, making this liquid again and again can become an overhead over a period of time. So that is one thing we're looking to eliminate. And then the second thing is that this liquid that you will be making has shelf life of only about 2 weeks. Has a shelf life of only about 2 weeks. So in case you don't finish it by then, you will have to toss it out. So because of that is why I prefer using it whole. So now how do you use it whole? So what you do is you basically have to put about 8 to 10 soap nuts into these kind of socks. So if you have cotton socks, even better. You just have to put like around 8 to 10 soap nuts into these kind of socks, tie it up, and then toss this into your laundry. So basically into your washing machine where you have all of your other clothes, you just have to toss it in and allow it to go through its entire cycle. So this is how you use soap nuts for your laundry. Now in case your machine does not have the hot wash facility, generally hot water is required to basically release the saponins and basically activate the saponins, because of which the lather production starts. So because of that, what you need to do, in case you don't have hot water available in your washing machine, what you can do is you can just dip the socks into a like a bowl of hot water. So what that does is it activates the saponins, and then you can just toss this water along with the soap nut pouch into your washing machine to run through your washing cycle. So this soap nut, you don't have to remove it in between, at any time or before your rinse or anything. So it can go through your entire washing cycle, and then finally at the end, after the entire wash is complete, is when you can pull it out. So this is how it works with soap nuts. After you pull it out, when you're drying your clothes, you have to dry the sock as well, so that there is no water content in the soap nut. Now you can do this process twice. So basically every time you fill up this pouch with 8 to 10 soap nuts, you can use this pouch twice. After that, the soap nuts that you finish using can be composted. So you can either add it to your compost bin, or you can even dig it up in your soil or something. And these soap nuts generally have seeds. So this seed you can even toss it onto an open area or something, so that it naturally goes through its course, and if it gets converted into a tree, nothing better than that. So this is how you use soap nuts for laundry. Now a lot of us are find it favorable when our laundry smells good, or has like a good smell to it. So for that, what you can do, now with soap nut alone, you would not get any kind of smell in your laundry. It would be like a very neutral smell. So for that, what you can do is you can add 1 to 2 drops of essential oil. So you can add this to just a teaspoon of water, give it a stir, and then add this to your laundry along with this pouch of soap nuts. So this actually helps your laundry to smell good, and at the same time also get cleansed in a natural way and an eco-friendly manner. Alright, so that is all about soap nuts. Just one last thing I want to add is, now in case you are someone who washes prefers washing your clothes by hand, what you can do is you can take these soap nuts, you can take about 3-4, a handful of soap nuts, put it into some warm water, allow it to sit there for an hour or so, and then just gently rub it in. So that actually releases its lather, and then you pull out the soap nuts, like the whole soap nuts, you pull it out from there, leaving the lather water in the bucket. In that, you can dunk your clothes that you want to wash, allow it to sit there for around 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can rinse and you can wash it as you do usually. So this is how you use it if in case you're not using a machine and you want to hand wash your clothes. So the only thing here is that if you have whites, it's better not to soak them in soap nut for a very long time. So you can just add the soap nut liquid and give it a scrub and then wash it immediately. So for whites alone, just make sure you don't soak it into the soap nut liquid for an extended period of time. So this was all about soap nuts. It is very, very simple, very cost effective, and also good for the environment as well as very good for you. So I would recommend that you try it in case you're not already trying it. Soap nuts are easily available in most parts of India. In case you're not, in case you do not find it around you, it is even available in online stores. I in fact got my packet from Amazon. It may be slightly more expensive on Amazon, but it is really worth it. It is so much better for the environment, for you, and for the world in general. So do try this out. I'll catch you tomorrow with a new video. That's it from me today. Bye.